Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend, Friday, March the 12th, 2021. We have here the first, no, it's not the third, the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. Yeah, the 2 stars. This will be number 2461. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have already counted. This one has 24 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? All right. 34838. 33. Okay. Let me see. 6. Complicated. Well, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then, in the last row, one of the missing number is a 6. In the last row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or there. We see another 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Alright, let me see. Which number can I pick? Okay. 7. Okay. We have a pair. 6 and 8 in the first column. 6 and 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the 6 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes. Yes, 6 and 8. 6 and 8, alright. Yeah. Okay. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about 3 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9. Yeah, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. It's a pair. 4. Okay. 1 1. 7. 1 7 and an 8. Okay, 1 7 and an 8. Supposed to be 06 there also. How about I need a 3. 7 7. 3 3. Let me think. 1 1. Yeah. 1 2 3 4. The 9, the 4, 6 and 8. Yeah, I'm thinking. Where is the opening? 1 2 3 4. Well, let me put some numbers, otherwise it's taking too long. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now. The 1, the 2 is missing. Yes, we see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, the 3, we see here 3, so no 3 there. So one of the missing number in this column is a 3. So we have a pair 2 and a 3. Alright. So one number left in this column for the number 7. The 7 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have a 2 and a 3 there. So these numbers should be the 7 and a 5. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. So we have a pair again, 5 and a 7 in this column. First column, 5 and a 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 7 and a 5 should be in those 2 boxes, 7 and 5. Second pair in this big square, 6 and an 8, 7 and a 5. And the third pair in this big square should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column, second column for the numbers 1 and 1 and 3. Yeah, 1 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Alright. Now, let me see. 3 3. Can I put the 8 8, the 4? No, the 7 7 7. No, the 5. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 5 now. How about Let me see. 7, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 8, 8. It should be an 8 too. No. 8, 8. Well. Which number can I pick? 9. 2, 3, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 3. 3. So here cannot be a 3. 3, 3. Yes. Okay. In this row. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2, 3, the 4 and the 4 and 2, 3, 4 and the 3, 2 and 3 and 3, 4 and 2. No. Let me find another solution. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So on the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3. Cannot do anything. 5, 1. No 1 cannot be here, so the 1 should be in these 3 boxes. Yeah. All right. In the first row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. We see here 1, no 1 here. No, here also 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and no, we have a 2 and a 9 there, so the other 2 numbers should be the 8 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then. Do we have all the 5s? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. All right. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4, all right. 1 number left in, no. We have 2 numbers left, okay. And 2 and 8, okay. 2, 8, and 9. Okay. 2 and 3. Let me think. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. This box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then, yeah. 7, 7, okay. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 7. Alright. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be an 8. Alright, 1 number left in the first row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and then 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Finished in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? No, because a 4-star Sudoku I need 30 minutes or more. So I think rather it's a 2-star or a 3 stars. Well, I give this a 2-star. 2 stars, yes. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 puzzles in this additional. It will be a tectonic and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.